The election is over and some semblance of normalcy is returning back to the country, and 39% of the electorate spoke for the entirety of Jamaica. The elections is over, the results are in, and Dr. Andrew Holness succeeded in attaining his historic third term as Prime Minister of Jamaica. A bittersweet result for many.
Duty as a believer in democracy to acknowledge and concede the result and to congratulate our opponents, the Jamaica Labour Party, for their victory tonight. Jamaica's democracy is important and we must cherish it.
My government will continue to be respectful of, uphold and advance democratic institutions and protect the democracy of this country.
I felt that Mark's concession speech was reflective. I believe he has done more than what was reasonably expected to move the opposition from 14 seats to 28 seats, and that should be commended. Whilst Andrew, on the other hand, took time to really dig into those sore points of the election, the alleged allegations of illicit enrichment and the question of his integrity. He believes that they are lies, and seemingly many Jamaicans think so too. Win, lose or draw, we will all have to live through this final result for the next 5 years. I personally think that this is great for democracy. Relative to the opposition size, it was vocal then, and I'm sure it's going to even be more so. Parliament is going to be extremely antagonistic, and I am looking forward to it. Now, Jamaicans, what exactly happened? Why are we still not participating in the democratic process? I live in Kingston and I voted in Christiana Manchester because I felt so convicted. A lot of people I know did not vote for various reasons. Some said they're not voting because of creeping authoritarianism, which doesn't make sense to me. And on the other hand, some are saying that they did not vote because the promises that the politicians promised seemed unrealistic. Now, as it relates to ECJ and the system that was put in place on election day, I feel personally like it failed and it frustrated a lot of people, from voters' verification of their ID to swearing in, and among many other things. Now, definitely the ECJ have some work to do, have a lot of work to do, but that's for another topic of discussion. The building of Jamaica is a long-term project, and the journey continues. We will just have to pray for good governance because we all have a stake in this. Congrats to the JLP. There is no room for arrogance. And, of course, we are watching. And congrats to the PNP. And continue on the unity. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so yet. And stay tuned for more. Until next time, live free, prosper, and most importantly, walk good.